G'day guys, Brendan here from Tentworld and Prospect here to talk to you about the Zempire Moonbase and the Moonpod Chair. Now these guys are actually exclusive to us here at Tentworld, you won't find them anywhere else. So I'm going to show you how to set this guy up. So you have a webbing strap here to keep it together, nice and simple. Undo that guy, find the feet, flip them out. You know what, I'm just going to have a break. Just give me a sec. So let's get down to nitty gritty. So at the moment, this is the Moonbase. Huge thing, you can see me disappear into the void of the chair, massive. Both of these chairs have a 120 kilogram weight rating. They've got 16 and 19 millimeter powder coated steel tubes. Reinforced hinges as well, so you're not going to go anywhere. Some rubber feet on the base. And both of these chairs actually also have a wonderful carry bag. Now the actual material itself is a water resistant 600 denier ripstop polyester, and I'm going to show you how to pack these down as well. So it's super simple. So if you want to squeeze in tight here, cameraman, come close. So each of these chairs have like a little thing here. So you grab that, pull it up, does that. Just want to tilt it on its side, fold it down. You can see that lock into place. Nice and easy. Got the webbing straps on the back. Roll it over. Tie them off. Into the bag. And you're away. Nice and simple. Great for an adventure out in the field. Or just, easy camping weekend. So if you want to pick up one of these, come and see us. Or buy one from our store online. Have a good one, guys. See ya.